Download any one of these GIFs, upload them on this website here, and get paid again and again in genuine and passive income. Whether you are asleep, in a restaurant, on a beach, or just at home watching your TV, you will be getting paid. All that you need to do so this honestly works is you wanna make sure you stay tuned until the very edge of the video, because I will explain everything you require to know step by step. And with all of that announced, dudes, let's now get on with this tutorial. Today I have, as you have all heard a moment ago, a passive income strategy to share with you. Once you watch this video, you'll see just how simple this is to do and set up. So let's get initiated. Just like I said in the intro, you will wanna download a GIF first that you will then require to upload on a certain website. And so what you can do to find GIFs is use either one of these two platforms. The first one is called GIF.com. On this website you can actually find thousands upon thousands of GIFs with ease. And the best part and most important part for us is that you can download them for absolutely free without having to invest money into this website. The second procedure through which you can download GIFs is simply use Google. Type in what GIF you want and just type GIF alongside it, and Google will now demonstrate you all of these that you can download and use once again, for definitely free. With that being said, what's quite important here, dudes, is that you don't download just any GIF. So you don't wanna download one of these you see on the screen right now. Rather you wanna find GIFs related to social media. You will see why in just a second. The significant bit is that you download a GIF like some of these related to Instagram followers, or you can maybe find GIFs about Facebook and so on. You get the point. Make sure a GIF you are going to download is related to a social media platform. When you find a GIF you like on GIF, all you would need to do in order to download it to your laptop or PC is open it up first, then click on it once more, and it will now take you to a page like this where you'll be able to download it by right-clicking on it, and then clicking on Save Image As. If you determine to download a GIF from Google, what you wanna do is quite similar. Click on it first, then right-click and again select Save Image As to download the GIF in question to your PC for free. Now that you have downloaded a GIF of your own preference, it's time for me to reveal the second website we will be using in this tutorial, one that is quite essential to this technique. The platform in question is called eclincher.com. What this website basically is a social media manager that will grow social media accounts for people in exchange for money, of course. This is why you wanted to search and download a GIF related to social media a while back. For those wondering, no, you will not be paying this platform to develop on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, nothing like that. As I mentioned before, this is a free technique, hence you don't wanna do that. We will rather be using this site to get paid. Just before we proceed, it's noteworthy that you can use any social media manager you want to. You don't have to use eclincher in specific. If you know some other platform that you feel is better, then you can just use it instead. Or if you don't know any, you can find them by typing in Google best social media managers. Either way, the point is that you don't have to use this site in specific, albeit I would suggest doing so. Anyways, what you would have to do once you guys come on to eclincher is as follows. Hover your mouse over company here, and then select partner, affiliate program right here, and that would take you over to this page. As many of you can conclude, we will want to promote this website as an affiliate, and this is how it is going to make us money online, and in pure passive income. And promoting this platform as an affiliate, believe it or not, is a lot more profitable than most other sites. The first and noticeable reason is that you will have lots of customers. There is no shortage of people nowadays who are using social media, precisely billions of people, and many of those people would like to either grow their social media accounts or have them managed on top of that because they themselves do not have the time to do so. This in turn means that a lot of people would like a site like eclincher, meaning that you can of course make more money. Another reason is that you will get paid very generously when someone pays this site via your affiliate link. You will earn between $50 and $100 per customer, as you can see, which is quite a lot. Just 10 people referred to this site would mean between $500 and $1,000 earned. It just goes to indicate you how much potential this has. If you can find a platform to use as a traffic source that is quite famous, this means you can make thousands of dollars in passive income. And as many of you can guess, I will demonstrate you that platform in just a second. Before we get to that site though, I will require you guys to sign up to Eclincher as an affiliate. You first have to click on apply here. On the next page you'll have to enter in a bundle of your data, as many of you know, your email address and full name first. The next bits of info you will see that they will request you enter our website, company name, and VAT ID. And this requires some clarification because it does seem as if you need your own website and company, but that is not the case precisely. In the website box you will have to type in the link of a platform you intend to use as a traffic source. That site I will be demonstrating you in a second, and the company name and VAT ID boxes you can leave blank if you don't have a company, and I'm thinking many of you don't. Anyways, the rest of the info you will have to enter is as follows. The country where you are from. You can see that pretty largely all countries around the globe are approved, by the way. When you have selected your country, you will then type in your address and phone number, then your password, and you will then paste the links of your social media accounts. And lastly, to finish this process, just tick this box, complete this captcha, and click on sign up below to finalize the process. And now is finally the time for me to demonstrate you a site you will be using as a traffic source. The platform in question is called imgur.com. What this is basically a site identical to GIF. It's a platform where people share GIFs. The big significant thing about this site though is its popularity. According to SimilarWeb, Imgur is being visited by over 200 million people on a monthly basis. So it's an immensely famous website, making it the perfect traffic source for us. And it's the fact that we are using a GIF platform as a traffic source that is the reason why I asked you dudes to download a GIF in the beginning of this video. What you will do on this site when you sign up is plain and simple. Upload the GIF you downloaded a while back, and here's how to do it. Click on new post right here, then on choose photo, video, and then open up the GIF from your PC. From there you will require to fill in a few bits of info about your GIF. You will want to add a title, description, and tags. The title can be something that will entice people to open up this GIF, such as best way to grow your social media accounts, or something like grow your social media automatically, and so on. Once you type in your title, you will now want to type in the description something to promote Eclincher, and you will of course leave your affiliate link right next to that. In my case I typed in sign up. Now you guys can perhaps change this if you so wish and type in something distinct. Either way, the point is that once someone opens up your GIF here, they will be able to sign up to Eclincher via your affiliate link. The last thing you require to fill in are the tags, and this is something many of you will know how to do. Just type in keywords related to social media like Facebook, Instagram, followers, influencer, and so on. And when you do that, you will be able to upload this GIF onto Imgur by clicking on this button here. And when you do that, your work will basically be done. Millions of people potentially would be able to see your GIF, and many of them will sign up to Eclincher simply because, as I said before, a lot of people nowadays do want to develop on social media, so you will have a lot of customers. The best part though is that once you leave your GIF here, you will not have to do any work at all. You will basically be obtaining payments between $50 and $100 on autopilot, doing no work from there, as easy as that. And that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.